Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. And today guys, I'll be showing you how you add subtitles to a movie or a TV show that you are watching on Disney+. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. It is very quick and easy to do. So yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Disney Plus website and log into your account and create an account if you do not already have one. So yeah guys, after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the shows and the movies that you can watch. So let's say guys, you found a TV show that you are watching that you want to enable subtitles for. So go ahead and click on any movie. Let's say this is the movie you want to watch. Go ahead and click on play and this will open up the movie in a new tab, and now you will be able to watch the movie. So guys, all you have to do to enable subtitles is go here in the upper right corner and click on this button right here, which is like a square. So go ahead and click on that, and as you can see here guys, now you can change the audio language, and you can change what kind of subtitles you want and what language. So let's say we have selected English. And after that, you can click on this button right again in the upper right corner of this settings wheel. And after clicking that, guys, you can change the font, you can change the color, you can change the size of your subtitles, and so on, so on. So after finishing that, guys, just go back. And now the subtitles will be enabled for your video for you to watch. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.